Welcome back to the DevOps project series. In this video, we're setting up a Debian template, a clean, reusable base that makes virtual machine deployments faster and more consistent. After that, I'll show you how to use the BPG Proxmox provider to create VMs. It works much better with Proxmox 9, especially since the old Telmate Proxmox provider doesn't play well with the latest version. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the Debian template before we can use it to clone it in other virtual machines. First, let's clean up the SSH keys. We do not want the same keys on every new server. We clean those from etc. directory. Checking to see if Cloud init is installed on the template. We also need to delete the machine ID so it not be the same all across new systems that we are generating. At the end, run apt clean to be sure all is good to go. We check the hardware settings and shut down the virtual machine. Disconnect the CD-ROM and it is ready to try it. Adjusting the settings for the new BPG provider like URL username and API token. In the next episodes I will make it more secure using environment file, not like here in plain sight. Delete the part from the previous Telmate provider. Make it run with Terraform init. And like always does not work on first try. Let's see what it is wrong. There is an old code still there. Delete and try again. A command for validating the Terraform code is always useful. Okay, let's check the documentation. What is there that can help? Here we can see that the syntax is a little bit different. We need to adjust. Adjust the size and check the node name in Proxmox. Run the validate and then init commands. With Terraform plan we can see what would be changed before it really is, very useful not to make mistakes. Run it to apply with like the name says Terraform apply. Adjust the username. Check if user have the rights to do the change. All over again. Init, plan, apply, and it is doing something. Still doing. We can see that the virtual machine is there, configured with the parameters that we gave. Somehow, task is still running. We can log into the console on the virtual machine. The SSH remote access is not working somehow. Let's search for problem. We see .ssh server is not working. So, reinstall the SSH server with apt should fix the problem. Reinstall, enable and start the service. And, with the right password it connects successfully. That is all for this video. In the following videos I will troubleshoot the SSH login and running beyond server creation. Make the environment more secure. So stay tuned and we see us in the next episodes. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, maybe also one like. Till then.